best network server rack. Trying to organize a mess of cables and expensive IT gear is an absolute nightmare. I needed the best network server rack for my own setup, so I bought and tested the top 5 models on the market, so you don't have to waste your money. Let's get into it. Product number 1, TechMojo 12U Open Frame Network Rack. When I pulled the steel frame from the box, I noticed how sturdy the metal felt. The open layout made it incredibly easy to manage thick cables. During my testing, I bolted it to the wall, and it firmly supported heavy AV receivers without sagging. My favorite part is that it includes 2 ventilated shelves and anti-slip stops, which kept my routers perfectly secure. I also loved the top panel for resting my tools while tightening screws. If you are building a budget home network and want an accessible design, this is the absolute best starting point. However, if you run massive enterprise servers that require you to tweak the physical dimensions of your setup, you might want to consider a heavy-duty freestanding option that offers deep adjustable rails and smooth rolling casters for the ultimate server room flexibility. Let us take a look at this bigger beast right now. Product number 2, Vevor 12U Open Frame Server Rack. When I assembled this carbon steel rack, I was shocked by its massive weight capacity. It feels like absolute tank armor. During my testing, the adjustable depth feature saved me so much headache. I slid the rails out to 40 inches to fit my longest server chassis, and everything lined up flawlessly. My favorite detail is the included rolling casters. Even loaded with 500 pounds of modems and switches, I glided the entire rig across my office floor without breaking a sweat. If you have large, awkward networking gear and need to access rear ports frequently, this is the one to buy. Of course, open frames leave your cables exposed to dust and curious hands. If security is your primary concern, you will definitely prefer a fully enclosed wall-mounted cabinet with locking doors to protect your fragile equipment from accidental bumps and unauthorized access in busy shared office spaces. Product number 3, TechMojo 6U Wall-Mount Server Cabinet. When I held the glass door of this enclosure, I noticed how thick and premium it felt. The black steel casing gives it a very professional, stealthy look. During my testing, the cooling fan was a total lifesaver. I stuffed it full of hot audio gear, and that fan pushed the heat right out. My favorite feature is the punch-out panels. Running cables through the top kept my setup looking incredibly clean. Plus, the lockable side panels gave me total peace of mind. If you need a compact, secure hub for your small business or clinic, this is the safest option available. However, 6 rack spaces can fill up faster than you think once you start adding patch panels and power strips. For those who love this exact secure design, but just need a little more vertical room for future expansion, there is a slightly taller sister model waiting nearby. Product number 4, TechMojo 9U Wall Mount Server Cabinet. When I lifted this taller 9-unit cabinet, I noticed it has the exact same bulletproof build quality as its smaller sibling. The cold-rolled steel construction feels incredibly rigid. In my real-world testing, those 3 extra slots made a massive difference. I was able to mount my switches, a surge protector, and 2 shelves without cramming my hands inside. My favorite trick is swapping the reversible glass door. I changed the hinges to open from the right side, which fit my tight closet layout perfectly. If you are a growing office that needs strict data compliance and room to breathe, this is your best bet. While 14 inches of depth handles basic switches brilliantly, some modern home lab enthusiasts run servers that are significantly deeper than that. For the ultimate home network veteran, we have one final massive enclosure that literally has it all, ready for your biggest projects now. Product number 5, 27U Wall Mount Server Rack Cabinet. When I unboxed this giant 27-unit enclosure, I was impressed by how sturdy the perforated glass door felt. It looks like a professional data center piece. During my testing, the 24-inch depth was the true star. I comfortably racked my full-sized network-attached storage drives and deep routers without smashing cables against the back wall. My favorite part is the all-in-one installation kit. Having the fans, shelves, and power distribution unit already included saved me from buying extra parts. The active top ventilation kept my entire lab running icy cold. If you are building a serious home lab and need deep mounting space with everything included in one single box, this is hands down the best investment you can make. It takes up room, but the cooling and massive capacity make it the ultimate choice for any serious tech enthusiast wanting to organize their expensive gear safely today. Organizing your gear doesn't have to be a massive headache. Hopefully this video helped you pick the perfect server rack for your space. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the current prices. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.